Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Ink Tank Wireless 410 series, and now I'm going to show you how to print greetings of embedded web server of mobile of web services, how to print printers email address, and how to print printers password from web services setup. So let's start. To do it, you just need to click and hold cancel button for 3 seconds. Wait until power button will blinking. Wait a while. And great. On the first page we have email address. As you can see, email address and the password from this address. And on the second page we have product information and ink delivery system information. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Oh, okay, so this is one way to do it, but we have the other way to check. To check in the other way, you need to open web services. Then to do it, you need to open this IP in your web browser. Then after that, just click web services and here, as you can see, we are connected, and if you have disabled Wi-Fi services, you need to click here turn on, and after that your email page will be printed. Or the third way to do it, you need to press together this web services button and informational button. So click it together, wait a while. So I have this page again, as you can see, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.